Hey YouTube, just here for a one-handed unboxing of my new Beofeng UV-5G Plus GMRS radio. Beofeng is a very affordable brand, as you probably know by looking around. If you're getting into any kind of electronic radio, this is probably a good option for you because it's very affordable. Now you might say, why did I pick the UV-5G Plus? Well, it's because it's GMRS is what I'm looking for. I don't have a ham license, but I just got my GMRS radio license, and I'll leave a link from the Midland Corporation on how to get that. If you try to navigate the website, the FCC website yourself, you'll find it's pretty darn ridiculous to follow, but Midland gives a good guide on how to do it. And this radio only transmits in GMRS, and I guess some of the FRS like walkie-talkie bands too, but it's not like I'm going to be transmitting in ham. Not that you'd probably really get caught, but it's just being polite and a good citizen to only transmit on areas that you're allowed to. So I got a GMRS license. It was really easy. There's no test involved. So let's get right to the one-handed unboxing. So what do we have here? We have a user manual, of course. Hopefully it's in English. By golly, it appears it is. Well, that's helpful. Get some to the accessories here. We have the antenna. Let's see if we can get this out one-handed without wrecking everything. Oh, there it is. One-handed unboxing. What else we have in here? USB to USB-C charger. That's kind of nice. A lanyard. Some people are really big on lanyards on radios. Some people aren't. Some people are really big into clips on lanyards, and some aren't. I don't like clips on radios. I always seem to have them fall off my belt or whatever. I just usually get some kind of holster to kind of stiffen things up a little bit, make it a little easier for me. So here it is, the Beofeng UV-5G Plus. Get out of here without wrecking it. Battery underneath, interesting. Alright. A lot of buttons I don't have any clue about what they do. No idea. I've never done this before. Never been a GMRS guy. Supposedly this is a flashlight right here in center. Not sure how useful that's going to be. We'll see what happens. Now for the satisfying part. Screen protector off. Let's get the battery out. Now, here's the real test. The one-handed unboxing. Battery insertion. It's not a test of Beofeng, it's a test of me, and I failed. Let's try that again. I did have to push the release button. Oh, there it is. Sent it home. Put on the antenna. Okay, we're getting ready to turn it on. I think Beofeng is known to have a voice when you turn it on. It says whatever mode you're in. You think it's going to be male or female voice? Let's see what happens. I'm guessing female on this one.
Welcome. Channel mode.
There you go. Pretty decent looking screen. I'm sure it's set on a timeout of 5 or 10 seconds. Maybe not. Oh, there it just went off. So, I'll be back with more videos, hopefully, of doing some transmission maybe.
Channel mode.
I got a different antenna coming, a little bit longer one. This one is probably, I don't know, a hand breadth, 10 inches long total probably. Makes like an 8-inch antenna. All right. See you on the flip side.